You're such a good boy, bud.
Oh! Oh, and then what is this? Oh, that fits right fucking there too.
Thundering outside. I come home, and this man...
This is a photo.
Chewy, let me see. You go. We love you. We love you.
My GF just got a dog, but I think the dog adopted her.
Hello.
Oh my god.
Hi. You're crazy. Oh, he's so crazy. I'm so sorry.
Oh, okay, I did not expect
Oh, it's okay. Oh my God, Gunther. Hold on.
No, you do not bite. No. No. Are you done? No. No.
I swear to the Holy Mother Mary and baby Jesus, if this dog farts on my head, I'm gonna flip. You're cute, but you're not that cute.
Daniel! Danny! What did I say about eating concrete? I said no more. You're always such hungry.
Buddy, do you want the ball? There you go, get him. Sir, I'm gonna need to see some ID. Hey, let me see some ID.
No. Stop. Stop. Brody. Shh.
Oh, wait, you got to be.
Hey, Watson, do you understand when I'm talking to you? You do? Okay, so I gave you a Chewy. I gave Kiko a Chewy. You ate Kiko's Chewy. So what do we say when we steal someone else's Chewy? What do we say? Do you know? Yes, we say we're sorry. We say we're sorry. You're a good boy, Watson. You're a good boy, Kiko.
Bro, I'm trying to show people my nails, if you don't mind.
You're my friend now. We're having soft tacos later.
Did you eat my burger? Lambo. Did you eat?
Check deh, phát saboloso. Parla di saboloso. Che vuol da fare?
Stop! Potty. Oh, God. Are you? Oh, it's slippery.
Gotcha.
She's a 10, but she has no concept of personal space.
Buffy, you snore too damn loud. If you don't snore tonight, I promise I will bring you to the beach tomorrow. Deal?
Two peas in a pod.
Okay.
Okay, Remy.
Good girl.
She can't block her face.
That's it. Remy.
Hi, girlies.
Good job.
George. Friends? Walter! Oh, Walter. Jesus. Oops.
¡Que es una carterista! ¡Para la pa!
Hey, ma'am. I know you enjoyed those leaves, but can you leave them outside, please? Thank you.
Tuso. High five. High five. You pop Tuso.
We gotta stir it up good, right? Stir it up. Stir it up. Whoa, stir it up.
Come on, hold up. Hold up. I'm here for you. Ain't no me. There is not a me in the world. Come on, Papa Potty. Yes. Come on, EJ. Come over here and potty.
One. And two. And dance. Hello? Hello?
You going on a ride, Andy? Oh God, I'm sorry. I did not mean it. I did not.
Sit. Good boy.
Hi. Hi. Did you get groomed? Show everyone your feet. Oh my goodness. Let me see this one. You look so handsome. You do. Are you a handsome boy?
Once again you felt like caution. I'll never let you go.
Understand what I'm saying? Kiss me if yes. Do you think I'm pretty? Kiss me if yes. Is your dad your favorite person? Kiss me if yes. Do you think I'm pretty? Kiss me if yes. I think she just doesn't understand me.
I didn't think it was like that.
I'll get this dude to stop following me. Every time I turn around to confront him, he freezes like he's invisible.
No, I hope a big booty girl that loves tacos and dogs doesn't follow me home. Sadie, quit eating those. I'm trying to find you a mom.
No, wait, hang on, stop. You don't want to do this. Listen, I've been a good boy. I've been a good boy, please. I've been such a good boy.
Ow!
It's 7:30 in the morning. Shh.
Just laying here with my tired dog. Such a little snuggle bug. Tank. 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 He's tired. Tank. Oh, good morning. Morning kisses. Morning.
You know I'm gonna get